Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs. Akihabara is a neighborhood in the Chiyoda ward of Tokyo, Japan, generally considered to be the area surrounding Akihabara Station. This area is part of the Sotokanda and Kandasakumacho districts of Chiyoda. There is an administrative district called Akihabara, part of Teidu Ward, located north of Akihabara Electric Town surrounding Akihabara Nara Park. The name Akihabara is a shortening of Akibagahara, which comes from Akiba, named after a fire-controlling deity of a firefighting shrine built after the area was destroyed by a fire in 1869. Akihabara gained the nickname Akihabara Electric Town, Akihabara Denki-gai shortly after World War II for being a major shopping center for household electronic goods and the post-war black market.
Lahat sila pare. Search mo kung nasan yung Mandarake, baka mali. Alam, banda rito yun eh. Check mo lang kung saan tayo kakaliwa.
Akihabara is considered by many to be the center of Japanese otaku culture and is a major shopping district for video games, anime, manga, electronics, and computer-related goods. Icons from popular anime and manga are displayed prominently on the shops in the area, and numerous maid cafes and some arcades are found throughout the district.
Tara.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. The streets of Akihabara are covered with anime and manga icons, and cosplayers line the sidewalks handing out advertisements, especially for maid cafes. Release events, special events, and conventions are common in Akihabara. Architects designed the stores of Akihabara to be opaque and closed, to reflect the desire of many otaku to live in their anime worlds rather than display their interests. Akihabara's role as a free market has allowed a large amount of amateur work to find an audience. Doujinshi, amateur, or fan-made manga has been growing in Akihabara since the 1970s. Have you had the chance to visit Tokyo, Japan? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.
Tao đánh gà vượt tay không